We are getting into the fall season here in Utah, and so I'm going to give you a rundown of recommendations of activities you can take your kids and your pets to enjoy. The background video is Bridalveil Park in last year's autumn season. Enjoy the fall colors. Today we're going to talk about photography, both commercial and family photography, and we're going to talk about some places to go and explore and catch that perfect fall photo. It's impossible for me to cover every location to shoot photos, so if I missed your favorite spot, please comment below. I'm gonna be honest with you, most of my time is spent in Utah County since I live and work in that area. The first place I recommend checking out is Provo Canyon. There are a series of parks owned by the county and by the cities of Orem and Provo where you can take photography for your family. If you would like to take photographs for commercial purposes, please check with the city and the county and also the National Forest and make sure that a permit is not required. Parks to check out in Provo Canyon include Canyon Glen Park, Canyon View Park, Timpanogos Park, Nuns Park, Bridalveil Park, Upper Falls Park, as well as Vivian Park. All of these parks are free of charge with the exception of Upper Falls Park. That is a day use area within the National Forest. Pavilions and other services can be rented on a fee basis. Please check the website for the individual park for details. My favorite out of all these parks is Vivian Park. It's a beautiful place. It's also the turnaround spot for the Heber Creeper. I recommend taking your kids there. In Provo Canyon, there are actually 4 waterfalls. The best spot to access all 4 waterfalls is Nuns Park. The most popular and well-known waterfall, of course, is Bridalveil Falls, and this is also the easiest waterfall to get to. It's right off the paved path. On the same side of the canyon as Bridalveil Falls, there is Upper Falls and there is Bridesmaids Falls. Located within 1.5 miles of each other, all 3 of these waterfalls are accessible along the Provo River Parkway. For Bridesmaids Falls, you head west on the Bonneville Shoreline Trail from the Bridalveil Falls Park. You can access Upper Falls heading east from Bridalveil Falls or through Upper Falls Picnic Area. It's about 0.5 mile from the Provo River Parkway. Nuns Park is actually on both sides of Highway 189. Lost Horse Creek Falls can be accessed via the north side of Nuns Park. It's more of an extended rapid and flows straight down from Mount Timpanogos. Just past Sundance on the Alpine Loop at Aspen Grove, you can access Lower Timpanogos Falls as well as Stewart Falls. These are also fun hikes, and they have some of the most breathtaking views around. There are also many waterfalls in Big and Little Cottonwood Canyon that I'm not familiar with yet. One of the ones I am familiar with and I hiked that is very beautiful is Donut Falls, and that one is very famous. Just beware, the trailhead can get very crowded and you might have to walk in an extra 1.5 miles. Also, word to the wise, anywhere in the canyons in Salt Lake County, they do not allow pets, whether on leash or off. They don't allow pets or swimming due to the fact that it's the watershed for the Salt Lake County water supply. If you take the drive up Provo Canyon all the way to Midway and you check in at the ranger station, you can actually get a permit to take commercial photography within Wasatch Mountain State Park. Wasatch Mountain State Park not only offers you a view of the leaves, but it offers a view of both Jordan Nell and Deer Creek reservoirs, as well as Mount Timpanogos and the Scenic Loop. Some other areas to take photographs include Diamond Fork Canyon, Hobble Creek in Springville, Big and Little Cottonwood Canyons, as well as the Park City area. The summer lift season at the ski resorts is winding down, but it's a beautiful view and it's a beautiful place to take photos as well. You have till October 9th at some of the resorts to do the summer lift passes. At Sundance, they're $25 per person. At Snowbird, they're $35 per person, and they include gondola rides. In the winter time, the trams and the lifts go up the mountain fast, but they take their time during the summer so you can enjoy the view. And often you can stop at the top and have a picnic or catch your breath. There may be other ski resorts that offer summer lift passes. Also, many of the resorts allow you to ride a bike or to hike. Hopefully this video was informative and showed you several places that you'd love to go take photos of the fall leaves. In my next videos, we're going to be talking about places to fish and also places to camp in the fall. If you like this content, please subscribe to the channel and hit that like button. And we will catch you on that next video. Enjoy the view, and bye for now.